Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing of the TCL 20XE. This is a newer phone that came out on Boost Mobile. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's pretty cool. I like how it looks. So it's powered by NXT Vision. I actually want to check that out and see how good the quality is. We'll be doing a review on this phone and gaming review and a bunch of other stuff soon. So can't wait. I'm pretty excited on it. So this is the TCL, as you can see, TCL 20XE. Looks pretty cool. And as you can see, powered by NXT Vision. So we'll see. So TCL, you know, they're pretty good. They make TVs and stuff. So we'll see how good their products are. On the bottom just says display greatness, which is pretty cool. Their name on the right side. So TCL 20XE. Same thing on this other side. On the back, we'll get more information on this. So let's go ahead and check it out. It says TCL 20XE. You have a 6.52 inch HD plus display, a 13 megapixel camera, 5,000 milliamp battery, which is really good. And what's cool about this, guys, look at this. Fast charging, 18 watts, guys. Very cool. I'm excited for it. So let's get into the unboxing and everything. So let's go ahead and check it out. And the phone is under $100, guys. Can't stress that enough. It's under $100, so it's going to be a budget-friendly device. I believe it's $60. It retails for $120. You get it for $60 roughly right now. So let's go ahead and unbox it for the holidays. So this is what you get in the box, guys. You also get a SIM card as well. So pretty cool. You get a SIM card in there. So let's go ahead and pop her open now. Whoa. Check this out, guys. So this is what you get inside. You do get a charger. It's supposed to be fast charging. I believe up to 15 watts is what it said in the back. 18 watts, my bad. So it's 18 watts. So of course there's going to be a Type-C. USB-C to a Type-C, which is pretty cool. You also get your charging brick, your TCL charging brick, supposed to be 18 watts fast charging. So, of course, it's going to be fast charging. Let's look at the phone. But also, you do get probably going to be your instructions in here. Yep, quick starter guide, and of course, a SIM key. Looks pretty cool. I like the design of it. So no cases or anything else, just charger, phone, wall adapter. But overall, this phone looks pretty good, guys, for under $100. I mean, come on now. So let's go ahead and pop her open. They really don't make this super easy, I guess. I guess just grab wherever you can and just start taking it off. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. This looks... I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The phone is super light and the battery's already in it, guys. Very light. I mean, wow. Looks really nice. Check out these back cameras, guys. So let's look at the front and then we'll go to the back. So, teardrop notch right there. Looks very, very good, guys. I mean, looks like a premium phone. So, shout out to TCL for making it look like a premium phone. You get your volume up, volume down, and power buttons on the right side. On the left side, you get your SIM tray. On the top, you do have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom, you do, looks like you have two speakers on the bottom, but maybe just one of them work. We'll find out later. And it's a Type-C port right there. It's pretty cool. In the back, though, looks really nice, guys. So you do have an AI triple camera. So check it out. So you do have 3 cameras and a flash. Looks really nice, guys. From far away, it looks like a premium phone. You do have a fingerprint sensor. Well, it looks like a fingerprint sensor. We'll find out. Then I do like that it says TCL and with the IMEI right there. It's pretty cool. But overall, it looks nice. I like it a lot. Let's go ahead and power her up. And yeah, we'll do a quick starter and see how that goes. All right, guys. And as I'm going through the footage, or should I say through the setup, check out what NXT Vision is. It's pretty cool, guys. It basically enhances the image. So with it being on, it's going to just brighten the colors, make them pop a lot more. As you can see, there it is. So definitely want to keep that feature on. So it says Use NXT Vision to help improve your multimedia game, photo, video visual experience, which makes your screen image brighter, richer, and clearer. Recommended to keep on. So definitely want to keep that stuff on to make it look a lot better. So now that the setup is done, here we go. Did take a little bit for it to kind of boot up, so it is a little bit slower. So we'll look at some of the specs. Let's actually get to some of the specs of it real quick before we actually go through everything else. So this, of course, has a 5,000 milliamp battery, talk time up to 27.8 hours. On 4G, of course, the phone's only 4G, it's not a 5G device. The battery's non-removable, does have 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of internal storage. Like I said, we'll take a look at that. You can put a memory card in this phone up to 512 gigabytes. The processor is not a Snapdragon, it's a MediaTek P22 2.0 gigahertz octa-core processor. Does run Android 11, guys. Cameras on the back right here. You do have a 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro rear camera. The face is a 5 megapixel camera, so pretty cool. The display is a 720 by 1600 HD plus display. Like I said, the screen size is a 6.52 inch. So pretty cool. It does have fingerprint scanner and face recognition, guys, so nice. All right, so with that being out of the way, this is what the phone looks like. Let's bring this down right here. Cool. So alert apps and everything, I just like to bring down the little task manager thing. Does have flash, a little quick settings. It does have, of course, Wi-Fi calling, cellular data is turned off. I haven't put the memory or the SIM card in there. Bluetooth, auto rotate, sound, airplane mode, mini notification. Whoa, it's pretty cool. NXT Vision, so you can turn it off from here. Do not disturb. Location. Of course, screen recording, which I like. Hotspot, dark mode, one-handed mode, screenshot, eye comfort, data saver, data battery, nearby share, and you can add more, of course. So there we go. Make it a little bit brighter for y'all. Let's go in deeper to the settings of this. So pretty cool. There is what it talks about. So like I said, you can change this anytime you want. So real nice. But in gestures, smart manager, so it does give you information about like battery and everything. So pretty cool, like a little smart manager. Battery, I have 50% battery. Notifications, memory, 1.5 gigabytes used. Not your storage, but most likely your RAM. Smart lock, location, privacy, apps, storage. So it's already used 32% used. Wow. So I have 21.76 gigs free. Of course, the rest of it's just apps and the, Android just being downloaded on it. So pretty cool. Overall, I think it's a nice phone, guys. What do you guys think? Let's check out the camera real quick. I always like to check the camera out. So, okay, so the camera actually looks pretty decent. I'm not even gonna lie to you. There's the zoom, 4 times zoom, so it does do 4 times zoom, guys. It does have the rotate, so there it is. Just woke up, so don't mind the messy look. It does have AI camera, of course, which is real nice. So pretty sweet. It does have video, does have portrait. So let's do the video. And it looks like it has fast autofocus as well. Portrait mode. Of course, it's going to be more for like taking selfies or just doing the whole bokeh and the whole pano. So pretty cool overall. So overall, like I said, we'll have to check out videos, how it works. Here's some of the apps that it comes preloaded with. It does have Gamebox, Gallery, so definitely looks different. NXT Vision, Smart Manager. I haven't really used a TCL phone really, so it's going to be nice to kind of play with it and see how well it does for gaming or video watching. So I can't wait to try it out, guys. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and more videos to come your way. And let me know if this is a good budget phone. Would you guys like me to do a review or not? So check it out.